bit, honey. Just a little bit before lunch, and then we'll go home and have lunch. Yeah, we're going to go to a playground. For a little bit.
There were some goats on the ark, and the goats shook their heads, and they went, meh, meh. Now let me see. What else was there? Some donkeys. Let's see some long-eared donkeys. And donkeys went, ee-ah, ah. Gee, it was noisy on the ark, but it was lots of fun too. So why don't you come aboard Uncle Noah's Ark with us? A long, long time ago.
So this is a jail, prison.
Jail?
Yeah.
Wow.
For 40 days and nights.
That is jail? You will show me?
Yeah, here.
Oh.
See the wire?
Yeah, just yeah.
Houses here?
Oh, yeah.
This is a state jail for Massachusetts.
Uh-huh.
There's bad people in there.
Wow.
You ordered my candy. Okay,